So we have elements in group 7 are known as the halogens. The halogens that is in period 4 of the periodic table. So go back to your periodic table, check who is in group 7 and also sits in group 4, and hopefully you can see that that element is bromine. Why is chlorine more reactive than iodine? So chlorine is more reactive than iodine. There's a few different things to think about here. So they are trying to gain an electron. So in chlorine, the electron gained will be nearer to the nucleus. The electron gain will be nearer to the nucleus. That means there is going to be a greater attraction for the electron. So it is gained more easily in the chlorine compared to iodine. Okay. A piece of sodium is placed into a glass jar. At the end, the inside of the glass jar is coated with white crystals. Identify the white crystals. So we've got sodium reacting with chlorine. That's going to lead to the production of sodium chloride, which is salt, which is a white coloured substance. So that fits in with the observation. Sodium also reacts with bromine. Write a balanced equation for the reaction. So this wants a formula equation. So I've got sodium reacting with bromine. Now remember, bromine is diatomic, so it's Br2. And that's going to lead to the formation of sodium bromine. If you want to just check, sodium ions are Na+, and they want to make one bond. Bromide ions are Br-, and they also want to make one bond. Cross these two over, so the formula you get is NaBr. That's why it's NaBr. I can see from looking at this, I've got two bromines here. I need two here. So if I just try putting a 2 in front of that, that also gives me 2 sodiums. So I need a 2 in front of that, and I've got my equation balanced. In another experiment, a student adds colourless sodium bromide solution to chlorine water. State what you would see in this reaction. So what's going to happen in this reaction is you would end up having a orange coloured, where is it gone? Orange coloured solution forming, because you have got sodium bromide reacting with chlorine, and that's going to lead to the formation. I know it's almost an equation, but this will hopefully help. Sodium chloride plus the bromine has been displaced, pushed out, and this bromine colour here is an orange coloured solution. So that's going to be your answer. You get an orange coloured solution forming. And then the final question, ionic equation for this reaction is this. Explain which species has been oxidized in this reaction. So this is looking at electrons. Let's remind ourselves that oxidized, so oxidation is loss. This means they're going to lose electrons. That's what we're looking for. Okay. If I pick on the bromide ion here, my bromide ion is forming bromine with no charge, so it's losing electrons. Be very careful how you put your answer here, because it is the bromide ion, Br- ion, is oxidized as it loses electrons to form bromine. Okay, and if it helps maybe to visualize it, I've got my Br-, and that's forming Br plus the electron, so that's Br2. I've got 2 lots of that, 2 lots of that, and that would be the equation for that reaction.